While it's a traditional technique, Stuller's die striking department works to push the technique to get the most out of the jewelry making process.
Die striking takes metal that has been deformed by cold working, and we blank out parts, two-dimensional parts, and we assemble them in most conditions to make a three-dimensional part requiring functionality.
Stuller manufactures a variety of die-struck jewelry, including religious medals and crosses, charms, decorative stampings, and our 4-prong, 6-prong, and low base settings. Considered a contemporary form of forging, die striking begins when a steel engraver carves the design into a heat-resistant block. Once the die is created, a hammer press repeatedly strikes the piece, forming the finished component. The tighter density created by die striking is better for holding stones, becomes more resistant to wear and tear, and holds a brighter and longer polish.
You've got to be able to take that metal and reprocess it. And where Stuller has the ability to take that metal and recycle it all, put it back into production, we can be a lot more efficient.
All of the operations in our die striking department create superior findings any bench jeweler will appreciate.
We have a really fast-paced job. We're always working. It's non-stop production in here, so I like to multitask and stay busy, so it's really, it's perfect for me. It's my perfect job.
To learn more, visit stuller.com/die struck.